Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, after a long time, we are going to discuss the new topic. Okay, right now I got married by your madam called Spandana. Okay, right? So that sorry for late, ma. Sorry for delay. From today to we are going to have a new session, and there is no exemptions from this day. Okay, right? So now, so up to now we have discussed so many topics regarding conduction method. Okay, right? So in that conduction method, so we have finded the charge, final charge q prime, qa prime, which is ra by ra plus rb, and q initial charge, like this. Okay, right? So q initial is q1 plus q2, and again here qb prime, which is equal to rb upon ra plus rb into q initial, which is equal to rb by ra plus rb. Okay, right? This already we have discussed about. From this we have we already know about that one question. We have given one problem. We have already done one problem that you already know about that in previous classes. Okay, right? Now here in this class, in this session, we are going to have another brilliant problem which comes under JEE Mains and advanced level. Okay, right? And also this will become for NEET purpose also. Okay, right? So be careful, students, while listening this. Keep concentration over here. So now this comes under NEET question. This is very, very important question. Now what they given here means, first see the question here. So here objects A, B and C are three insulated spherical conductors of radii r. So here they told that we have three objects here. A, B and C are three insulated spherical conductors having radius. How much it is? Radius r. One is r, another is 2r, and another is 3r. Okay, right? Now originally A and B have charges plus 3 millicoulomb. Okay, next where C has a charge of minus 6 millicoulomb. They given for that. Okay, right? Now objects A and C are touched again. So first we have to take the diagrams, the diagram oriented. Right? So solution here. Solution. So this is one spherical body A. Spherical body A. So I'm going to write here A. Again we have another spherical body which is B. Again we have another spherical body which is C. Now what they given here? These three are insulated spherical conductors of radii r. These three are insulated means there is no charge will flow from A to B or like this. Okay, right? No. There is no changes that takes place from environment to that particular body. That is called as insulated body. Okay, right? No. So this is A. So according to A body, it is having radius. How much is they given? R. For A body, for A spherical body which is having radius R. And for B body, it is having radius. How much it is? 2R. And for C body, it is having how much radius it is? 3R. They given already. Okay, right? Now, so this is the radius R1 for A, 2R for B, and 3R for C. Okay, right? Now, originally A and B having this A and B having the charges. How much it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb. So for body A, it is having how much it is? Charge plus 3 millicoulomb. Plus 3 millicoulomb. And for B, also having how much it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb. Okay, right? Now for A, it is having plus 3 millicoulomb. For B, it is having plus 3 millicoulomb. Next, coming for C, they given that C has a charge of minus 6 millicoulomb. So C having how much charge it is? Minus 6 millicoulomb. Okay, students. So this they given the content for us. Okay, right? Now up to now we have discussed this. Now coming to second part. Now objects A and C are touched. First we have to do what, ma? Objects A and C are touched. They given for that. Now first initially first part 1. We have taken two bodies, A and C. A having radius how much it is? R. C having radius how much it is? 3R. A having how much charge it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb. And C having charge how much it is? Minus 6 millicoulomb. Okay, right? Now, first we have to find the total charge accompanied by these two charges, by these two spherical bodies. So this total charge which is given by Q initial, which is equal to total charge Q1 plus Q2. Q1 plus Q2. So how much Q1 here? How much it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb plus of minus 6 millicoulomb. So how much it is? Plus 3 millicoulomb plus into minus 6 means what? How much it is? Minus 3 millicoulomb. That is what? Q initial. Initially these two bodies are having how much charge it is? Minus 6 millicoulomb. Now we are going to join these two bodies. We are going to join these two bodies. Then what happens if we join these two bodies? After some time, the charge which is accompanied by at C body will transfer to A, and here also from A body to C, the charge will move from A to C and C to A, like this. After some time, in these two bodies, the charge will be remains same. Will remains same. We all know about that. The charge will flow from higher potential region to lower potential region, or from higher potential region to lower potential region. We know that. Okay, right, students? Be careful. Very, very important concept. Now, if we after joining these two, we have a brilliant formulas. So after joining these two, this is R. It will becomes as A prime. This is 3R. This is body 2, body C body. So it will become C prime. This is A prime after joining these two. So we know that plus 3 microcoulomb, millicoulomb, minus 6 millicoulomb it is. Now, if we join these two bodies by contact with each other, contact. Now we are going to find the charge will flow from A to C and C to A. After some time, the charge will remain same here. Okay, right? We have to find how much charge remains at A and how much charge remains at C. After dividing these two, how much charge will taken place apart from these two bodies. Okay, right? Now, how can we find these bodies? So QA prime, which is equal to RA by RA plus RB into Q initial. This is finding the final charge of A after touching C. Again, we can find with the same formula, we can find the final charge for C also. Okay, right? Now, QA prime, which is equal to RA. How much it is? RA, R by RC. How much it is? RC. Sorry for that. RC. How much it is? RC, how much it is? 3R. So that R plus RC, how much it is? 3R. Into Q initial, how much it is? Q initial is how much more? Q1 plus Q2 na? So that the total charge accompanied by these two charges, these two charged bodies, these two A and C charged bodies, how much it is? Q initial is how much it is? Minus 3 millicoulomb. This is very, very important concept. Okay, right? Students, be careful while listening this. Ready? Now, fine. How much it is, ma? QA prime, which is equal to R by R plus 3R. How much it is? R by R plus 3R. How much it is? 4R. R by R plus 3R. How much it is? R by 4R into minus 3 microcoulomb. So now here R gets cancelled. How much remains? Minus 3 upon 4 millicoulomb. Minus 3 upon 4 into microcoulomb, a millicoulomb. So QA prime, this is the final charge for A body. After touching, by dividing these two bodies, then body A having how much charge it is? Minus 3 upon 4 millicoulomb. Next, find the final charge for body C, spherical body C. So again here, QC prime, which is equal to again we are going to find how much it is, ma. So we are going to find we can find by using this formula, RC upon RA, RC plus RA. We can find like this, or we may find like this also, Q initial minus QA prime. You can find like this. This is a simple trick for you. Please be careful. No need to substitute all these terms in this QC prime also, right? This is simple technique for you. So what is Q initial here? Q initial is how much it is? Minus 3 millicoulomb minus QA prime, how much it is? Minus 3 upon 4 millicoulomb. So how much it is, ma? 4, how much it is? 4 3 is 12, minus 12 millicoulomb minus 3 minus 12 millicoulomb plus 3 millicoulomb upon 4, which is equal to how much it is? Minus 12 minus 3, how much it is? Minus 9 millicoulomb upon 4. This is what, ma? QC prime. After touching body A with respect with C, then there is some conduction will take place and the charge will flow from body C to body A, so that the final charge for C is how much it is? Minus 9 millicoulomb upon 4. This is final charge for body C. Okay, understood, students? This is very, very important concept. Be careful while listening this. So after touching body A with the body C, the body A got negative charge and body C got negative charge. So up to this is first part. They given that object A and C are touched and move apart. After touching these two bodies and moved apart, then after moving these two bodies apart, after moving these two bodies apart, then body A got how much charge? Minus 9 minus 3 by 4 upon millicoulomb. So then body C got how much it is? Minus 9 by 4 millicoulomb. Okay, understood, students? Now